Hello and welcome to another update video about MATIC. MATIC did react to the support level of this ascending wedge quite nicely. It did push then since Friday here to the upside to the resistance level of the ascending wedge. Generally this is to be considered a bearish pattern, which of course, you know, the price can break out of the upside, out to the upside. Breaking out of such a pattern to the upside is always a sign of strength, because it would normally be a pattern where you would expect, based on probabilities, to break to the downside. So we've got two possibilities here on the chart. It is not entirely clear which one is going to work out. For me, it is still the direction to the downside here more likely, before we can see a stronger move to the upside. But as I've also said very many times, there is nothing bearish on this chart until we drop below 47 cents. So either we go up straight away, or we'll have to wait a little bit more, come down first into the region between 60 and 65 cents, and should then move up. So both possibilities are actually bullish. There is just one that is short term a little bit bearish, highlighted in yellow here, where we'll see a wave C to the downside and we come up then. But I also have to do something here with this chart. I have to move this B wave a little bit over there. I have to assume if this is still that yellow count, then the B wave has to finish here, because it is not possible that this is already the C wave down with the price making a higher high over there, right? So this would have to be the B wave, A, B, C, or even W, X, Y. Need to see. But the point is, at the moment, very clearly, both possibilities are there, and it would put more emphasis on the blue count, which would be the direct breakout count, if we break above finally 95 cents. Now we haven't done that yet. The way this looks at the moment is like a bullish consolidation. Yeah, this looks like we might get one more leg up. You can see how the price is dancing on this resistance level. It is quite an interesting level apparently that the price is respecting. So the bulls and the bears are fighting because of the uncertainty in the market. You know, nobody knows if it is going up or down, but this is looking like a consolidation, which would indicate a break to the upside now. So you basically have a pattern within a pattern, which you could call a small bullish pennant, bullish flag, whatever. What do you do when you have a bullish and a bearish pattern together? Well, ideally just wait, yeah, because in the end, you don't know in which direction it's going to break out until it breaks out. But there's different possibilities, of course, and different strategies how you can trade this. But the point here is, I think this might, or has at least quite good possibilities to break to the upside, because if you zoom in, you see actually we're sort of hovering above and around this trend line. So this is, there was no strong reaction to that trend line, the ascending trend line here of the ascending wedge. So this could really be a bull flag, and if we push any higher, this would, I think, already put a bit more emphasis on the bullish count. But again, we can't really confirm this until we break above the 95 cent level, which would be the previous wave X high here, or wave B high, depending on which of these two counts we're looking at. And at the moment, it's still uncertain, right? So we're still in the wedge, yeah, trying to break out. That's fine, but we haven't got a breakout signal. But this might become a breakout. And really, due to the messy structure, and it is a messy structure, all this movement here, right? Lots of up and downs, a lot of overlaps, which is rather corrective, yeah, of a corrective nature. And because of this, until we see a break above 95 cents, and also I like to see the 5 waves complete, yeah, until then I can't really confirm the direct bullish breakout. The point is, if we had an impulse here, a proper impulse, I wouldn't necessarily need to see the 5 waves to confirm this. But yeah, with this price structure, I would want to see clear 5 waves to the upside to be in the position of saying, right, okay, so we're probably not getting that wave Z low down here, yeah, which is here. We probably already bottomed in wave 2. When we hit this reversal area on the 21st of September, and we're already on our way up in a wave 3, which will eventually take us to around $1.80, yeah, $1.70, $1.80. but I can't really confirm that until we see 5 waves. So for me at the moment, anybody who's not positioned, I mean, you can do what you want, right? But if I didn't position myself here in this reversal area, I would at the moment just wait and either wait for 5 waves complete. And if 5 waves are complete, I would wait for the retracement, because this would then be another wave 1 of wave 3. So I would wait for the wave 2 of wave 3 to get in and then trade the wave 3. Or I would wait until we break down into this area between 60 and 65 cents in the Z wave and then go long here. Yeah. So this is sort of how I would deal with it. Again, still uncertain. The push here to the upside certainly doesn't make the chart easier because of the corrective nature. I would primarily expect a move down. But let's see if we break the 95 cent level. The 95 cents won't give us final confirmation, but it will be quite likely then that we are in the blue count. But as I said, without the 5 waves, I can't really give you a lot of certainty, even if we break above 95 cents. But it would be a strong signal that we are in the blue count. Okay, and that's my update about MATIC. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then yeah, check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.